Rainbow Learning.
Hi friends, let's go and visit the farm and meet with fresh and healthy veggies. Hi, this is me, your friend, Carrot. Hello friends, this is me, Beetroot. Hi, this is me, Brinjal. Hello, this is me, Corn. Hello friends, this is me, Tomato. Hi, this is me, Onion. Hi kids, this is me, Turnip. Hello, this is me, Cucumber. Hi, this is me, Cabbage. Hello friends, this is me, Lettuce. Hello, this is me, your friend, Broccoli. Hi, this is me, Lemon. Hello friends, this is me, Spring Onion. Thank you for visit my farm. I hope you enjoy to meet with fresh and healthy veggies.
Like and subscribe for more videos.